What's the meaning of administer? Administer. 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 Administer means to manage or supervise the execution of a task, activity, or process. It can refer to a wide range of contexts, such as administering medication, administering a test, administering a business, or administering a government. The result of administering depends on the specific context and can include providing relief for a medical condition, measuring someone's knowledge or skill, running a successful enterprise, or governing effectively. Ultimately, administering involves taking responsibility for ensuring that something is carried out in an efficient and effective manner.